You can find Knockout Crypto. We can be found on YouTube, Instagram, and Twitter. This is our Twitter page, knockoutcrypto.com. You can follow us there. You also follow us at knockoutcrypto.com to get more information. Um, Knockout Crypto, we like to bring you the latest information, and we like to bring you different stuff that is different from other channels. So you can go ahead and subscribe to the channel and like the video now if you want to keep up to date with our latest videos. I found an interesting Bitcoin formation price prediction on TradingView a few days ago, and I want to just share it with you guys. Now, when I share these Bitcoin price predictions and price price, forecast, it doesn't mean that this is going to come true. This is just a forecast or a prediction that I thought was interesting. I thought I would share it with you guys. So this Bitcoin formation predicts when the bear market we're in. Now we know there's a lot of predictions out there about when the bear market we're in, but this formation I thought was unique. It caught my eye. So this is for I'll go ahead and read it to you guys. For those who aren't aware, and I've seen a lot of charts on it, and I haven't seen a lot of charts on it at all, there's a special chart pattern formation that can tell us everything we need to know about Bitcoin if it ends up being valid. The formation in question here is the rounding bottom chart formation. The rounding bottom chart formation. This is something that I have not seen anyone post about. So I'll show you my findings below and you can comment on it and say what you think. Bitcoin long-term price prediction based on the rounding bottom formation. What you see on the chart above is something called the fib wheel. The fib wheel, courtesy of TradingView, was applied on this chart to get a better idea of where we should start the rounding bottom formation. Why? Because of the design of the fib wheel itself, it virtually plots out various rounding bottom formation links based on fib levels. These different links are designed for products of varying volatility and price fluctuation. The ultimate theory: every time the price breaks into another channel, the rounding bottom chart formation, if it is indeed present, must be considered restarted at that point. Below are the marked restart points to help you out. You see we have a chart here with the rounding bottom formation, and as you can see, you have the 786 fib level, the 618, the 5, the 0.382, and the 0.236 fib levels all there. And so this supposedly tells you when we'll go back up to the higher levels. So only twice thus far technically here are represented by transparent blue boxes in the photo above. As you can see, the latest blue box can be detected at the start of the 7.89 ring level of our fib wheel. Because that's right around here. What the wheel and the rounding bottom formation predicts. Based on what the wheel is showing us here, the low could potentially be 2,921 Bitcoin. This does not mean that it is an ironclad guarantee. The price could dance around this 2.9 mark, but at the very least, assuming that the price remains in this channel without breaking south or north, it will eventually touch down somewhere around 2.9K. The chart shows that this would occur at some point around the beginning of November. While this is not unreasonable by any means, the price is significantly a ways away from that point currently. If the price did touch this point, it would represent a 55.66 loss in price in a little under 2 months from this present point. However, Bitcoin is no stranger to such drops, and there's a chance that it could eventually backslide into price again as it tests the tops of the rounding formation's range, what would essentially break the pattern altogether. The two red boxes in the chart above show that the price has been duly rejected twice when it attempted to break through to the next fib pattern layer. Currently, the overhead resistance is at 6.9K. So far, we know a good amount of information, but we don't know everything we need to know. Here's a list of some important things to remember to consider. Fact 1, the lip of the cup is at 10K. Here at 10K, you got the lip of the cup. And the potential bottom is at 3K. Here, the 7.89 level, we have that potential bottom of 3K. The cup predicts that the lip may be surpassed at any point between April 11, 2019 and June 19, 2019. So that would be second quarter 2019. The rounding bottom formation, as applied in this case, predicts that the all-time high may be broken at any point between June 2019 and August 2019, which would be third quarter. Here's an illustration to reflect those ideas. As you can see here, this is just saying when we may have that break point, 69 bars. We will see 10,000 broken, and then in the third quarter, we will see the all-time high broken. Conclusion: whether you believe in the rounding bottom chart formation is entirely up to you. At this point, it is not a verified chart pattern. The piece was simply to provoke some thought and cause some individuals to consider alternative scenarios to the ones that they may have in their heads currently. If you notice, this theory dictates a price action that actually matches many of the more popular theories about Bitcoin's price movements that are out there at this time. Thus, it seemed worthwhile to put this theory out there to see if we can actually put a face to the name, so to speak. As always, good luck trading. This is definitely not financial advice of any sort, and you should be making your own decisions about how you would like to go about things. I thought it was quite interesting. I'm not saying it's right, but I thought it was an interesting theory. Let me know what you think about this rounding bottom chart theory, and does it have any credence? And will we see an all-time high third quarter of 2019? Let me know what you think about that. Thank you for following Knockout Crypto. Thank you for following our channel. You can find us on Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube. Twitter has the most up-to-date posts. YouTube has the other posts. You can go ahead and like the video, subscribe to our channel. Those are 2 things you can do to help us out. And you can share the video on your Twitter or on your YouTube. It helps us out as well. So thank you for following Knockout Crypto. Thank you for your support.